So, hey guys, welcome back to another video. And this time we are not gonna continue, do our normal coding journey, but instead we are gonna build our own custom Visual Studio code. Yep, you heard me right. We are gonna create our own custom Visual Studio code from scratch. And not from scratch, I mean from the repository which is pre-available in the market. Uh, as we know, Visual Studio went public a few months ago. Microsoft announced that Visual Studio Code is publicly available, the source code. So what we are gonna do is right now build our own Visual Studio Code. So yeah, let's begin. So we are on my screen. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT what what do we need? So building a custom VS Code using Code OS uh, from Microsoft. So, from Microsoft. As you know, this has been public by Microsoft as actually. So here it is, Microsoft, and we have Visual Studio Code. So we have Code OSS. So this is the basic workflow of the code editor. So we are gonna go head on to ChatGPT and ask, want fully customized Visual Studio will be. So what actually we are not gonna build it from scratch. We are gonna use Microsoft tools to build this. So technically we'll keep the everything same, but starting we'll just head on to the Copilot and we'll just give him the prompt. The agent will work for itself and it will code. Cause sitting and just uh, typing everything is just a not good time. All we are gonna do is just customize a Visual Studio Code, and we are gonna integrate the Copilot also, so that it will be easy for us. Okay. So yeah, we just get the prompt, and yeah, disclaimer: I am doing a vibe coding. It's not any practical coding. This is just a normal testing, like how the customization can be done. So yeah. Okay, the prompt is good. So let's go with the prompt. Okay, these are the names. Uh, Nexus from Nexus. Yeah, it's good. I'm gonna probably I'll gonna go with this. Obsidian, nope. Nebula, Centrum. Yeah, I can go with this. I'll be using for SentrumX. So yeah, I'll be going with this. So name will be Centrix. Wait, Centrum. Yep, Centrum. Is Python, Django, JavaScript. Okay, okay. DevOps, Cloud, Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, Azure, GCP tools, Terraform, GitHub Actions, GitHub CI. Damn, I mean the prompt is too good. So extra features giving theme store, plugin market, AI based file, theme name void neon. Yep. So we are gonna go with this, and the further details we'll just check. So what I'll do, I'll just open my terminal here in ls, we are gonna go to steel companies, and then we'll go to SentrumX and clear. Then we'll head back to this. Now copy code, and I'll just paste it here and git clone. So we'll be cloning this repository, and yeah, the code file will be less than 100 MB, so it's not a big deal. So yeah, I don't know why the network is slow. I don't know. Oh my. Okay, if we're gonna do heavy development, oh wait, it's a huge file. So I'll meet you after downloading. So guys, it just finished downloading, and I never expected it would be 1 gig because I never installed. I mean, I never cloned a repository more than 200 MB. I don't know. Last time I cloned was my old repository, which was less than 100 because I can't push more than 100 MB. But how this is able to push 1.1 GB? So we are gonna go with the Sonnet 4.5. Let's work using this model, and I'm just gonna just give it an enter. So this guy is gonna read the whole. So it read the project. So yeah, I'll meet you after this. So guys, we ran into a problem. So our node version is not compatible with the default one. I was using 22.16, but this required 22.20. So what I did now, updated my npm, and then I'll do this keep. Okay, so then we will do npm install yarn. It sounds like yarn. So one package has been added. Then so I have to redefine the prompt again because I have changed the name from CentraX Center, yeah, CentrumX. Sorry, I forgot. I have a bad habit of forgetting things. SentrumX. So it's gonna rewrite the whole prompt, and let's see how it is gonna do. And then we are gonna go back and give the same prompt to that, rename everything again. I know I have wasted few creds, but yeah, it happens. So for this, then we have all this. Hmm, No, first, we'll try to build the application again. I don't know, but something happened. This MCP server was not there in this Visual Studio Code when before working on this, but suddenly this MCP protocol, this one suddenly pops out of nowhere just after few prompts of editing the source code of this. I'm not doing this in the complete Visual Studio Code because things will break and it will break things. So I don't want my IDE to break during the development. So that's why I'm using another one. I mean, the Visual Studio Code, which was already developed by Microsoft. Then I'm editing their source code in another file. And to be frank, Copilot has generated the image. I never expected this to generate the image, but it generated the image. I'll show you. It's somewhere here. Yep. This is the logo it generated. It's a Sonnet 4.5 it generated the image. And so we are updating. Actually, I'm a huge fan of glass morphism, so I have used in a few of my applications. Currently, I can showcase the applications which I have used. I mean, which I have developed, because those are a little bit private. Yeah, private. Okay, yeah, classified. I was not getting the good word to use, but it's a classified project which I can't show you. That's why I am not showing that right now. But yeah, soon it will be available for everyone once we get a clean check. So yeah, till then it's a private one. In few of my hackathon projects, I have used the glampsmorphism effect. So yeah, that's why. So currently, again, it's taking a little bit of time to develop and build. And yeah, let's wait till it gets built. So the first build is ready, and this is this is how it's looking. So this is the base application. So this is how it's looking. I mean, SentrumX, about SentrumX, commit unknown date electron, and this is the so yeah. I mean, this is the base application how it's looking. The UI is good. The cleanness, a little bit of bugs are there in the UI. I need to fix that, and a lot of extensions are missing. But the extensions are being installed here. I don't know why. So we need a little bit more changes. So I'm gonna head back to ChatGPT and rewrite the complete prompt and fix everything. So the first thing we're gonna need to fix is the UI. The UI isn't good. We need a few more little bit changes. And then we have our color theme palette because it's not able to differentiate. It's the TypeScript. So yeah, this will have a basic idea. Right. Somewhere, yeah. This is how pale it's looking. I know. So what I'll do is now re redo the theme panel, and then we'll head on to the extensions. So we're gonna install the extensions. Yeah. So okay, so this is generating the prompt, and let's see. Again, it's hitting 82 somewhere. Command Pilot AI. So after this, we are gonna go with the extensions once this is done and head on to this and just give up the prompt. So first let's close this and then we are gonna start the changes. So yeah, let's see after the prompt has done building this. So guys, the final build is done. I mean the UIs. The thing is I have just run it and the UI is so laggy, so chunky. It's see the base one is taking a lot of RAM and the GPU is hitting a lot. See how laggy the UI is. So what I was oh yeah, I forgot to check the CPU usage. Yep. Okay. So it went high. It went high. So currently it's a normal cause recording it simultaneously. So it's not a big deal. So another prompt for fixing the UI. So we are gonna refactor the complete UI, and I know it's gonna probably take a lot of time to build this application. And we just use only 2.5 threads right now. So it is gonna reduce everything. So, and yeah, I have generated the image using Leonardo AI and using Nano Banana. This is the first one I got, SentrumX, and this is the second one, Complete X. So I like this one a lot. So probably I'm gonna use this. And right now it's recreating the complete CSS file. Right now it's rewriting the whole code again, optimizing theme colors. So my Mac is constantly maintaining 70 degrees, which is optimally good as long as it's not thermal throttling. Okay, he didn't build the app, so we are gonna tell him to rebuild this application. So let's see. So the app, this got built, and this is how it's looking. The UI is changed completely. Everything is good, and now, yep, our theme and UI is done. A little bit of glass morphism is there, and yeah, we can't do anything about that. So, so now what we need to do is just add our own logo, then fix the font theme, cause okay, at some places it doesn't even look good, cause see, like few of the things. So functions calling and all this, we need a good refactor of theme UI, and rest everything is good. So
So guys, that's all for this video. And yeah, I want to keep it short. So this was the just part one of me building a custom Visual Studio code. Soon the second part will come in next year. I'm yeah, next year, as today is 31st December. It will be released in next year, next month. So yeah, that's it. Till then, take care. Bye bye.